Here I am explaining about like contents where like what we are using in this here I am showing like a problem statement. In this problem statement, in face detection mission, it will detect our emotional face, like when we are fear, sad, happy, surprise. It will shows it will shows. Here I was explaining about objectives, which objectives what we are using. This emotion detection we are using real time processing, and here I am explaining about assumptions. In this project we are using frontal face. In this frontal face, when camera user facing the camera, side views or tilted face might not be accurately processed. In this in this project we are using in this assumption clear face is also clear face is like computer cannot focus when camera was seeing face it was clear, no need any objectives like glass mask like that. Here I was these all things internet connectivity. When we are doing this must and should internet is high speed internet we need. In this project we use agent introduction. In this agent introduction we are we taken like learning agent. In this learning agent, why we are taking learning agent, like improve their performance over time based on experience. In this we use convolutional neural networks, CNS, are like common choice for learning an image based on task like facial expression. Here I am explaining about piece for agent.
Now these are the following keys for our project, for our agent. So the performance is measured based on its accuracy in detecting and classifying emotions, and with at what speed the facial expressions are recognized by the model. So this is the performance. And for the environment, the person must sit under the lightning condition where it is consistent. And the actuators for our project is SSD1306, a monochrome OLED screen. Like we'll display our emotion on the screen. And the Arduino Uno, a USB interface, is also an actuator for our project. So these are the following actuators we used in our project. This is the OLED screen, and this is the Arduino Uno. So the sensors we used in our project is the ESP32 cam module. It detects the face of a it detects the emotion of a face. Here is the camera. And now let's see the circuit diagram of the of our project. So this is the ESP32 cam module, and this is the Arduino. Now we'll see the integration part of the ESP32 cam module with the Arduino. So the 5 volts of the, since the ESP32 cam module is not having any microprocessor and the USB cable, we need to integrate with the Arduino, and the images or stream that is recognized by the camera is stored in the Arduino microprocessor. So now let's see the circuit connection. The 5 volts of the ESP32 cam module is connected to the 5 volts of the Arduino Uno, and the reset button of the Arduino Uno is connected to the ground terminal of the Arduino Uno. Why we connected this? Why is when we reset the button in the Arduino Uno, the program in the microprocessor must erase. So in order to erase this, we connect this wire. And next, the ground terminal of the ESP32 cam module is connected to the input terminal of the ESP32 cam module, and the VOR terminal is connected to the RX terminal of the Arduino Uno, and the VOT terminal is connected to the TX terminal of the Arduino Uno. And next, the ground terminal of the cam module is connected to the ground terminal of the Arduino Uno. So now this is the integration part of the ESP32 cam module. Now let's see the integration part of the LED screen with the Arduino Uno. So here we'll display the emotion that is recognized by ESP32 cam module, and that sends to the Arduino Uno, and Arduino Uno sends to the OLED screen. So the ground terminal of the Arduino Uno is connected to the ground terminal of the OLED screen, and the 5 volt terminal of the Arduino Uno is connected to the VCC terminal, and the SCL terminal is connected to the A5, and the SDA terminal is connected to A4. The following is the circuit connection for our project emotional phase detection. So first connect the 5 volts of Arduino. Connect the 5 volts of Arduino to 5 volt supply of the ESP32, and next connect the ground of Arduino to the ground of ESP32, and next connect the reset button in Arduino to the other ground of the Arduino, and now connect the TX of the Arduino to VTO of the ESP32, and the VOR button of the ESP32 CAM module is connected to the RX terminal of the Arduino. So these are the basic connections of the for integrating the ESP32 CAM module. Now the connections between ESP32 and Arduino is completed. So now we'll interface the LED screen with Arduino in order to display the emotion on the LED screen. So we'll connect SDA to A4 of the A5 of the UNO, no A4 of the UNO, and SCL to the A5 of the Arduino, and the VCC to the power supply of the Arduino, and the ground to the other ground terminal of the Arduino. So these are the setup that we are integrating this in our project. So this is the Python code that we written for detecting the emotion phase detection of our phase. So starting with the code. The code begins with the importing necessary libraries like CV2, computer vision and deep phase, and a serial for the communication with Arduino, and time for introducing delays. And next, this part of the code is used for serial connection to establish with Arduino with the port number COM5, that port number is for my laptop. A delay is added to allow time for Arduino to initialize. And next, this part of the code is used for here we use the pre-trained model hierarchical frontal phase for detecting the phase recognition. And next, this loop is used for capturing the images from the webcam. If no phase is detected, it will display as no phase, and if the emotion is detected, then it sends to the Arduino, and from that Arduino it displays on the LED screen. So this is the base code that we use for detecting emotion. Now let's see the stimulation part of this. So now this is the Arduino code that we use for displaying emotion on the LED screen. So this basically displays the emotion on the on LED screen that is generated by the Python code. So the Python code sends the emotion to the Arduino through the serial communication. Now this Arduino should send the should display the emotion on the LED screen. So we had written the code for doing that part, and upload this code to the Arduino. After successfully uploading the code on Arduino, now run this Python code so that you can detect your face from the laptop camera. These are the following modules we used in our project. First is the module 2, which includes the P's in module 2, and next is the neural networks, which includes in 8.4. In this project we use the neural network CNN, which stands for convolutional neural network. It's a type of a deep neural network that is particularly well suited for tasks related to image processing and its computer visions. So CNN are designed to automatically and adaptively learn spatial hierarchies of features from input data. So by this project, my learning is like firstly we had integrated the many many components like ESP32, Arduino Uno and PC with the PC, and recognize the phase emotion through the ESP32 CAM module. So and the second one is like we learned how to code using Python and recognize the emotions of our face. And at lastly we learned how to display the emotion on the LED screen through Arduino. So thank you.